bed to punch myself in the head. And that's what I'm gonna do. Woohoo! I have brain damage now. What does that mean when I have brain damage? Watch retarded stuff. What type of retarded stuff I'm gonna be watching, you might be asking? I know the perfect thing. Ha 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 ha. I don't know actually. Oh, get out of here. Okay. Okay. Do my reflection. Okay, since I have brain damage, what do people with brain damage watch? Let's see. Donald Trump? No, he's orange. Okay, it's unloading. What do people watch with brain damage? Let's see. Oh, let me. Unikitty. That's what people with brain damage watch. And not just that, they watch the intro for 10 hours. That's brain damage. Oh dear, that scared me. Let's see how long it is. 10 hours! Scrumptious. Scrumptious, scrumptious, scrumptious. Let's just watch this for 10 hours. Or until 5 o'clock. I might be there. The Earth? Oh, okay. So you think Unikitty is more beautiful than the goddamn Earth? Wow. I thought he was talking about the Earth or whatever. Yeah, this is getting boring. This is getting cringy. Yeah, just kidding. I have no brain damage. Luckily. It's getting cringy. Actually, one time I was so tired, I watched that. I left that on for like 30 minutes. And it did leak through my dreams. And what I dreamt about is, I was dreaming about. Let me try to remember. Like, all I dreamt about is maybe at my dad's house and some fucking crazy ass people just singing that. It was kind of weird. But yeah. What do people with brain damage react to? What's the point? What if everyone jumped at once? Don't worry, we already have one example. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. I like that. Hey, I recovered some of my brain cells. That's good. Oh no, I lost them again now. Adorable Rick. Brain damage, choo choo. Brain damage, BRA. Every time, I don't know, whatever. Let's react to it. If I have the guts. Oh dear, don't do this, Brandon. No, we went like videos. Okay. Oh, no. What the? Hey, nice phone at least. Got an Apple phone. But what the fuck? Did you make that? If you use Apple products, I'm happy with it. When I'm bored. Alright. Nice. I mean, that's not my house. I thought it was my house for a second. Found it. Found the brain damage until... Oh, fuck you. I can't pronounce it, but... Brain damage, here I come. I'm gonna lose him, a lot of brain cells. But I gotta recover them with watching something that is more. Wait, let me just go back and restart. Yeah, I'm gonna lose like 30% of my brain cell, but don't worry, we're gonna watch something that recovers them, that recovers them. Yeah, don't worry. I'm wasting that electricity that my mom made. Oh, I'm gonna beat my ass. Oh, what? It's cancerous. PewDiePie. That's the only way I can recover my brain cells. Where is it actually? I can't handle it. PewDiePie. But it's reversed. I'm the one do the trick. PewDiePie, 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 PewDiePie. I sub to PewDiePie. But anyway, I need PewDiePie. I congratulate you, dear corporation. I need to watch congratulations. This is more like it. Hey, I'm recovering my brain cells. Brain cells recovering. My brain cells are recovered, and now I'm getting more. I'm becoming smarter by just watching this. I recovered my brain cells. I love this song. Oh my god, PewDiePie is exposing T-Series. Brain damage. How to cure brain damage. Yeah. I'm recovering my brain cells. Oh dear. Brain. I'm Albert Einstein now. that was a good song. Even though it's top 30, I still like that song. Hey, let's see the battle between T-Series and PewDiePie. Oh yeah. PewDiePie is winning. Wait, what the fuck? Oh hell no. This is how much. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh dear. Oh yeah. Okay, bye.